Good morning and welcome to our new math session. Today's lesson is going to be ordering mixed numbers. So first of all, let's start with a small recall to remember what's talking about. So here I have a recall question, 1 over 2, 7 over 8, and 3 over 8. I need to order these numbers starting from the smallest number. So if you want to just pause this video for 1 minute to solve this question and come back to me again. Here, let's look here. Here it's 1 over 2, 7 over 8, and 3 over 8. And as we remember how to order these fractions, I'm looking at the denominators and choose the biggest number. So the biggest number here in the denominators is 8. So I'm taking this 8 in my draft and write down its times table. So 8 times 1 equals 8. And try to test the division with 8. 8 divided 2, can I do that? Yes. And here, 8 divided 8, can I do that? Of course. And this is the same, it's 8, so I can do that, of course. So once this answer is just working with 2 and 8 and 8, I can divide that by 2 and 8 and 8. So I can make all the denominators is 8. So let's change them. Here, to change the 2 to be 8, I have to multiply by 4. But whatever you're doing down, you have to make it up. So times 4 is going to be 4 over 8. And here it's times 1 times 1, so it's going to be the same, and here's the same. And then order them. So the smallest number here, it's 3 over 8. So I will write it down the first, and after that, 4 over 8, and after that, 7 over 8. And don't forget to change that to be it's in the original form. So 3 over 8 is going to be the original form, and 4 over 8 is going to be half, and 7 over 8 is going to be the same 7 over 8. Okay, let's go for the second question. If you want to pause this video for 1 minute to solve it, and then come back to me, it's okay. Okay, here, I'm again doing the same. I'm looking at the denominators and choose the biggest number. So the biggest number here is 10. So I will take it in my draft and write down its times table. So 10 times 1 equals 10. Can I divide 10 by 5? Yes. Can I divide 10 by 10? Yes. Can I divide 10 by 3? No. So I have to continue in my times table again. So 10 times 2 equals 20. So can I divide 20 by 3? No. So I have to continue in my times table. 10 times 3 equals 30. Can I divide 30 by 3? Yes, I can do that. So of course, perfect. Go to next fraction. Can I divide 30 by 5? Yes, I can do that. So I will change all the denominators to be over 30. So let's change it. So here to change this 5 into 30, I will multiply by 6. But whatever you're doing down again, you have to make it up. So times 6 down and up, it's going to be 24 over 30. And here times 3 up and down, so it's going to be 3 and over 30. And here times 10 down and up, so it's going to be 10 and over 30. And here times 6 down and up, so it's going to be 6 over 30. And then order them. So the smallest number here is 3 over 30, and after that 6 over 30, and after that 10 over 30, and then 24 over 30. So remember to write it down in its original form. So 3 over 30, it was 1 over 10 here. So 1 over 10 first. And after that, 6 over 30, 6 over 30, it was 1 over 5 here. And after that, 10 over 30, it was 1 over 3. So write it down 1 over 3. And then 24 over 30, which was 4 over 5. And that's it. So let's go to our lesson. Ordering mixed numbers. So I have an example here for you. 9 over 9, 2, 9 over 20, 1 and 7 over 10, and 1 and 16 over 25. So first, I need to tell you something, a note. 9 over 9, this fraction, is equals to 1 whole. And 1 whole can be whatever the number in the numerator over the same number in the denominator. So 9 over 9 is going to be equal to 25 over 25. It's going to be 100 over 100. It's going to be 1 million over 1 million. It's okay. And another note, 2 whole, like 2 whole, it's just equal to a number in the denominator and it's double in the numerator. As we remember that the fraction, it's just a division. So when you divide 50 by 25, it's going to be 2. So here, 9 over 20, it's going to be the same, and 1 and 7 over 10, it's going to be the same, and 1 and 16 over 25, it's going to be the same. So let's check the biggest denominator. Here, the biggest denominator is 25, as I can see here. So I'm taking it in my draft and multiply, get the times table. 25 times 1 equals 25. So I will make this fraction like 9 over 9. I will make it 25 over 25. So it's working with 25. And here I will make it 50 over 25, so I can divide it by 25. And here, can I divide 25 by 20? No, so I have to go in the times table, go on. 25 times 2 equals to 50, so can I divide 50 by 20? No, so I have to go again, go on in the times table. 25 times 3 equals to 75. Can I divide 75 by 20? No, so I have to go on. So 25 times 4 equals 100. Can I divide 100 by 20? Yes, so continue. 100 divided 10, can I do that? Yes. And 100 divided 25, can I do that? Yes. So I will make all the denominators 100. So the first one here, it's very easy. I will make it 100 over 100. And here the second one here, I will make it easy, 200 over 100. And the third one here, it's I will make the denominator 100, so I will multiply by 5 down and up, so it's going to be 45 over 100. And here I will just add a 0 in the denominator and so on in the numerator. And after that here I'll multiply by 4 down and up, so it's going to be 164 over 100. And then order. The smallest number that I can see here, it's obviously it's 45 over 100. And after that 100 over 100 because it's one whole. And then here I have one whole and here one whole, so compare the fractions. So 64 is of course less than 70, so I will choose it first. 1 and 64 over 100, and after that 1 and 70 over 100, and then 200 over 100. And don't forget to write it down in its original form. So 45 over 100 was 9 over 20, and after that 9 over 9, and here's 1 and 16 over 25, and here it's 1 and 7 over 10, and this is 2. So right now I ordered these fractions in ascending order. So let's go for place mixed numbers on the number line. It's a very easy task, by the way. Look here in this question. Show the following mixed numbers on the number line. So here the first one. 1 and 1 over 4, I need to put it here in the number line. It's very easy to think about it, by the way. It reminds me always with the scale. Do you remember the scale? Yeah, the scale equals difference in readings over the number of spaces. So difference in reading here, it's 1 minus 0 equals to 1. And how many spaces do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the denominator is 4. So every step here is 1 over 4. So here's 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4, and 1. And after that, 1 and 1 over 4, 1 and 2 over 4, 1 and 3 over 4, and 2. And after that, and so on. Like it's very easy. And this I will take this fraction 1 and mixed number 1 and 1 over 4 to place it on the number line. It's very easy, it's here, so put an arrow here, and that's it. So let's go for another example. Here I have another number line and another mixed number. So first, whatever I do, I have to do it first is the scale. So get the scale. Scale equals difference in readings over number of spaces. So difference in readings, it's 1 minus 0 equals to 1. And how many spaces do you have here? 1, 2, and 3. So it's 1 over 3. So let's put it here. 1 over 3, 2 over 3, and then 1. 3 over 3, it's one whole. And after that, 1 and 1 over 3, 1 and 2 over 3, and then 6 over 3, which is 2 whole. And here it's 2 and 1 over 3, 2 and 2 over 3, and then 3. He needs me to place this number in the number line, 2 and 2 over 3. It's here. It's very obvious right now, so put an arrow here. Okay, so guys, I need you to solve this classwork. You have these five questions. I need you to pause this video for 10 minutes to solve this question and then come back to me again. Okay, let's start by the first question here. Here I have 2 and 3 over 7, 18 over 7, and 2, 5 over 7. I need first to change this 18 over 7 to be a mixed number like them. So I will make it mentally. How many 7s are there in 18? And if you just don't remember, just watch the previous videos about improper fraction mixed numbers so you can revise it and you can solve these questions. So 18 over 7, I'm just asking myself how many 7s are there in 18. So 7, after that 14, after that 21. So no, it's only 2 7s in there in the 18. So 2 times 7 equals 14. And after that count, after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you reach the numerator. So just stop counting. So how many fingers do you have? 4. And the denominator is always the same, it's going to be 7. So this 18 over 7 equals to 2 and 4 over 7. And here, 2 and 3 over 7, 2 and 4 over 7, 2 and 5 over 7. So the order is the same, 2 and 3 over 7. I'll write it down in the original form. So 2 and 4 over 7, it equals 18 over 7. And after that, 2 and 5 over 7. For question number 2, I have 4 and 2/3, and after that 39 over 9, and 4 and 5 over 9. So convert this 39 over 9 to convert it into a mixed number. So ask yourself the question, how many 9s are there in 39? It's 4 9s because 4 times 9 equal 36, and count after 36, 37, 38, 39. So it's 3. So it's going to be 4 and 3 over 9. And then write down the fractions as you see it. 4 and here it's 2 over 3. I need to change the 3 to be 9 like them. So multiply it down and up by 3. So it's going to be 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 3 equals 9. So it's 4 and 6 over 9. And after that, 4 and 3 over 9. And then 4 and 5 over 9. And then order them. So I have right now 4 and 3 over 9. And after that, 4 and 5 over 9. And then 4 and 6 over 9. Take care. Write them down in the original form. So it's going to be 39 over 9, and then 4 and 5 over 9, and then 4 and 2/3. And that's it. So let's go for the next question. Question number 3. Here I have 7 and 4 over 10, 7 and 10 over 20, and 65 over 10. So guys, here it's how many tens are there in 56? It's 5 tens. And after that you have to count. After 5 it's after 50 it's 51, 52, 53, 54, 56. 55, 56. So it's 6 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. So it was 5 and 6 over 10. And I made a mistake here. It was 65 over 10, not 56. So it's going to be 6 and 5 over 10. It's okay. It's going to be the same thing. Okay. So here, 7 and 10 over 20, I need to change this 20 to be 10. So I will divide up and down by 2. So it's going to be 7 and 5 over 10. Okay, let's order them. Here, it's gonna be 7 and 4 over 10. After that, 7 and 5 over 10, and then 6 and 5 over 10. This is the forms that you have to compare with or to order with. And the order is, the first one is 6 and 5 over 10. And the second one is gonna be 7 and 4 over 10. The third one is gonna be 7 and 5 over 10. So write it down in the original form. It's gonna be like that. Okay, let's go to question number 4. Here I have 1 and 1 over 6, 12 and over 12, 9 over 6. So first I have to change this 12 over 12 to be 6 over 6 to be like the same denominator. And after that I have to change this 9 over 6 into a mixed number. So it's going to be how many sixes are there in 9? It's only 1 6. And after that, after 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's going to be 3 over 6. So it's going to be 1 and 3 over 6. And write down 1 and 1 over 6. And here's 6 over 6. And after that, 1 and 3 over 6. And then order them. So the first one is going to be 6 over 6. This is the one whole. And after that, it's 1 and 1 over 6. And after that, 1 and 3 over 6. And write it down in the original form. It's going to be like that. Okay. Let's go to the last question. So here I have 9 and 3 over 5, and 9 and 8 over 10, and 46 over 5. So I will change this 46 over 5 to be a mixed number. So this 46 over 5, I'm asking myself how many 5s are there in 46. If you think about it, you will find it's 9 5s because 9 times 5 equals 45. And after that, count. After 45, 46. You reached the numerator? Yes. So how many fingers did you count? It's only one finger over the same denominator. So the mixed number is going to be 9 and 1 over 5. And after that, I need to change this 9 and 8 over 10 to be a denominator 5. So I will divide by 2 up and down. So it's going to be 4 over 5. 9 and 4 over 5. And then I will write down the fractions as it is. Here it's 9 and 3 over 5, 9 and 4 over 5, and then 9 and 1 over 5. It's very easy right now to compare or to order. So first thing, it's going to be 9 and 1 over 5. After that, 9 and 3 over 5. After that, it's 9 and 4 over 5. And then write it down in the original form. It's going to be like that. Okay, So another classwork, I need you to plot these numbers on the number line. So pause this video for 5 minutes and then continue watching the answers. Okay, so first thing, I have to get that scale, difference in readings over the number of spaces. So difference in reading here, it's 1 minus 0 equals 1. And how many spaces do we have here? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's 1 over 8. The scale is 1 over 8. And so I write it down as that, 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, and so on. And if you focus a little bit, you will find out that this the same scale. So I will just write it down here to just save my solving time. Okay, so the second thing that you have to do to change this 15 over 8 into a mixed number. So 15 over 8, to change it into mixed number, you have to ask yourself how many 8s are there in 15. So it's only one 8. And then count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers do you have? It's 7. So it's going to be 7 over 8. Okay, so 1 and 7 over 8. Where is 1 and 7 over 8? It's here. So I'm putting an arrow here. And here for the second question, 11 over 8, I need to change the 11 over 8 to be a mixed number. So asking yourself a question, how many 8s are there in 11? It's only one 8. And after that, after 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 3 fingers. So it's going to be 3 over 8. And to plot 1 and 3 over 8 after you plot the scale here, it's very easy to do. So the scale here, the 1 and 3 over 8 is here. Okay, guys, this is our session today. Thank you very much for watching. Your homework is going to be sheet on Moodle. Thank you very much for watching again, and have a nice day.